Go ahead and bring up the console. Now the first thing we want to do is specify the frame rate. You can use any number you like. It will accept decimal places too. If you know you'll be showing this on a regular TV, you may want to use 29.97 frames per second for NTSC, or 25 frames per second for PAL footage in Europe. Regular movie films use 23.976 frames per second. Since I show my stuff on a computer and normally distribute my videos online, I like to use 30 frames per second to get a nice smooth frame rate. To set this value, type in host_frame rate, and notice how it shows the default value at 0. That means that it's set to render as high a frame rate as it can. But since we'll be outputting the video, we want to set a fixed number, so I'll use 30. Also, be warned, setting your frame rate as a fixed number like this will cause your game to run very fast when it's not recording. So just set it back to 0 when you want to operate normally. Okay, now we'll enter in the command to record the individual frames themselves. Go and type start movie, space, then the name of your movie. I'll call this Flyby. Now press enter. Okay, notice this message in the console at the bottom, how it will start recording as soon as you leave the console. If you disable the console right now, it will record the menu screen, so you want to make sure the next thing the game displays is our demo itself. Alternately, don't bring up the console while you're recording unless you want to end your movie, because it will keep on playing without recording and screw up your footage. Okay, so let's start recording. I thought we could record one of the demos we processed earlier. So I'll type in play demo space demo 2. You know, I've heard the closest relatives we have to dinosaurs are birds. I believe it. If you've ever seen an ostrich foot, it looks straight out of the movie Jurassic Park. Also, they're warm-blooded, and I think it's possible the dinosaurs were too, but who knows. I mean, we still have alligators and crocodiles, and they're cold-blooded lizards that are pretty vicious, but then they're a lot smaller too. Alright, now this may look a little choppy and slow to you, but that's totally normal. The more your computer has to work, the longer it takes. The end result will still be completely smooth. You may not hear any sound either. Again, it's nothing to worry about. And if you think this is taking a long time, just wait until we get to motion blur. This starts looking speedy by comparison. Okay, once the demo is completed, it will kick you back to the console. The next step here is to type in end movie. This ends the movie and processes your audio. Without this, it will just keep recording as soon as you leave the console again. Okay, we're not done yet, but we're done with the game for now, so go ahead and close this.